Hello everyone, this is the INE Foundation Lab 3 and Section 7.3 IPv6 IPsec. Okay, let's review IPsec concept and I will come back and figure the section. IPsec is a suite of protocols that provides security to internet communication at the IP layer. Cisco IPsec includes the following technologies. Cisco uses these following technologies for IPsec. One is IPsec itself. IPsec uses encryption technology to provide data confidentiality, integrity, and authenticity between participating peers in a private network. Cisco provides full encryption security, payload, ESP, and authentication header or edge support. Another IPsec technologies is this one, IK or Internet Key Exchange. This is called IPsec technology. The injection to IK provides security association management. Third one is the certificate management. Cisco supports this version of the certificate X509.version 3 for device authentication during IK negotiations. Okay, core IPsec technology or IKE protocol. IPsec uses the IKE protocol to negotiate and establish secure site-to-site or remote access between private network partners. In Cisco world, Cisco IK protocol is also called the Internet Security Association and Key Management Protocol or ISA-KMP. IK in Cisco world is also called ISA-KMP. This is phase 1 of our IK protocol. I will explain a little bit later. IK uses two phases. One is IK phase 1 and IK phase 2. IK phase 1 is called ISA-KMP and IK phase 1 is called IPsec. In IPsec VPN, IK Internet Key Exchange has two main phases that establish and maintain secure communication channels. IK phase 1 builds the secure control channel or ISA-KMP, negotiates encryption authentication for control channel, protects future key exchanges, is an ISA-KMP security association, and results in an ISA-KMP or IKSS. IK phase 1 uses two modes. One is main mode, and the other one is aggressive mode. Main mode is more secure and hides identities, but aggressive mode is faster but sends identities in clear text. The other mode is IK phase 2 is build the secure data channel. It negotiates the algorithm and key to protect actual user data, uses the secure channel from phase 1 and result in IPsec SSL. Separates inbound and outbound. IK phase 2 uses one mode, it is called quick mode. Okay, we have to understand this concept, IK phase concept to configure our IPsec. Now we can easily configure this IPsec because we are not understanding these phases. Phase 1 and phase 2. To configure IPsec, we first have to configure phase 1 or ISA-KMP phase and IPsec phase. To configure phase 1, we simply use this command, create the ISA-KMP policy and specify non-policy number, then we configure encryption, hash, authentication, group number, and lifetime. Keep in mind that the current phase one policy is defined globally. And if we configure multiple policies, for example, crypto as a complete policy number 1, 2, 3, and 4. If we have 5 different remote sites and configure 5 different as a complete phase one policies, for example, as crypto as a policy number 1 through 5, it will send all 5 policies and use the best match that is acceptable by both ends. It will send all 5 policies, but but we will use the first one, first match. Actually, it will be the first match that is acceptable by both ends. Yeah, then we configure this command, click as the copy, key name, and address. This is remote address, remote IP addresses. If we have 4 different keys, we have to configure this command 5 times. Or instead of configuring this command 5 times, we can use bulk copy shared keys by single command. What is bulk copy shared keys? This is called IPsec. Bulk copy shared keys let you define a single shared keys that applies to multiple keys instead of configuring a separate key for each remote IP. Okay, we can use bulk copy shared key by this command. Click the IP key name, address, and we use this address. This is for IP version 4, and for IP version 6, we use this one. This is the phase 1 configuration of IPsec. To configure IPsec phase 2, we use this command. Keep the IPsec transform set and specify name, transform set name, then encryption method or hashing algorithm, and we specify mode, either tunnel mode or tunnel mode. What are the differences? Tunnel mode encrypts only the data frame or payload of each packet and leaves the packet header untouched. A tunnel mode encrypts both payload and data header. And we can upload this configuration in 4 modes. One is IPsec with crypto map with a GI tunnel, or we can use GI over IPsec with crypto map. We can use GI over IPsec with crypto profile, or we can use IPsec with the tunnel interfaces. I've explained this modes in previous videos, but I will use IPsec with crypto profile in this scenario. To configure, I will use this IPsec with crypto profile. I will create IPsec profile by this command, create IPsec profile as special profile name, then set transfer set and TS name. This is the transfer set I have already configured here. Set this is the transfer set name. And on the tunnel, I will use tunnel protection IPsec profile and special profile name. And to verify IPsec, I can use shortcut ISO IPsec. This is IPsec phase 1. And shortcut IPsec SA. This is IPsec phase 2. And I can even use shortcut sessions command. And there is another command, debug crypto ISO and debug crypto IPsec. And this will carry IPsec negotiation. Okay, let's quick configure this section. Okay, configure IPsec over the VPN network using following parameters. Using this ISO policy, this is phase one of our IPsec, and this is phase two. To configure phase one, I will use this command ISO policy, and to configure phase two, and I will use this backup wildcard key, the backup patient key. I will use this one. Then to configure phase two, I will use command crypto IPsec transport set. Okay, this phase two, and ensure that the overhead on the encrypted packet size is minimized. It means I will use transport mode. Transport mode. And when complete, R7 should form a PCC kernel with a DME principal. Okay, R7 is our hub, and 1, 2, and 3 is our spoke. Well, let's wait for more DMVPN here. So, DMVPN IP version 6. This is on my hub. Up T spokes. Okay, let's confirm the VPN IPsec phase 1 or ISO phase. Because I have to use keep this command keep the ISO policy and special number. Keep to IP policy and specify policy number. Let's specify. Then here I have to configure encryption, hash, group number, lifetime, and so on. I have to use following policy, patient key of this one. This is patient key. I will use this one for key. This is key here. Encryption is AES 192-bit. Encryption. hashish sha 256 is the hash. And the element group is 5. And the authentication is patient key. This is our authentication patient key. And I will use this patient key using the wildcard address. Okay, let's bring this back home. Then I have to use crypto, this one. Crypto as a key and specify patient key. And key name is V6 IKE. And address I will use this one. This IPv6. IPv6. Okay, this is phase 1 configuration. Let's compare phase 2. This is phase 2. I have to configure phase IPsec profile by these parameters. Simply create IPsec transform set, crypto IPsec, and here I have the transform set name. Um, let's see what's that. IP agency, yes. Then this parameters encryption is 256. Yeah, encryption areas. 156 and then we have to use SHA 512. This one is and this one is hashing algorithm. Yes, okay. This is your hashing algorithm and this is encryption. AES 256 and I will this hash. Enter. And I have to specify so that the overhead on the encrypted packet is minimized. And then I have some mode, use transport, and I have to upload the keep the profile. I will skip the profile. I will use this one. Yeah. I will keep the AppSec profile. Keep the IPsec profile as the profile name. Let's call it IP version 6 PM VPN. Then set set transform set more transform set name this is more transform set name IPv6 TS and under my tunnel Tunnel protection. IPsec profile. Specify profile name. Not my profile name. This is my profile. Okay, now let's do this on my Xbox reader. Do showdown. Yes, this is my IPsec configurations. Phase 1. Attachment set. This is profile name. On. Okay, let's copy this. Objective. Yes. Question. IP interface brief. Interface tunnel. Tunnel. IPsec. Crypto. IPsec. What's the name? And the tunnel. Tunnel protection. Um, three. Config T. This one. Interface. Tunnel. 100. And so on. To either. Well, now let's verify the bit of show crypto as a compute. This is our phase one. It's active. 1, 2, 3, and another one is show crypto. IPsec. This is our phase 2 configuration. And we have show crypto session ID. This is up and active. Let's try here. Exit. Show crypto session. This is up and active. Show crypto. ISO IMP essay and show crypto IPsec essay. And let's ping verify. Hmm, hold on. Hold on. Interface. Okay, let's bring this from source. Parler. Ah, 7. Yeah. Okay. Now this is how we can configure IPsec version 6 IPsec on DMVPN IP version 6. This is the same as IP version 4. We have used this wildcard Appreciate it. I hope you have enjoyed this video and thank you for being.